So what happens in any system? There is an input and we get the output from the system. It depends on the system parameter. The parameter is expressed as a equation that is called the transfer function or the gain of the system. In transfer function, maybe two, maybe in fractional part. So one is the numerator part, another is the denominator. When numerator is 0, the system will be 0, gain of the system will be 0. If numerator is 0, then gain of the output will be 0 automatically. When the numerator 0, the system will be the 0, and when the denominator part 0, the system is gain is infinite. When numerator part is 0, the system will be 0. So two type of equation is that numerator equal to 0 and denominator equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0. When numerator is 0, the transfer gain is 0. Gain 0. That is called the 0 of the system. That is called the 0 of the system. 0 of the system. And when the denominator is 0, that is called the system gain infinite. System gains infinite. Infinite. System gain infinite. That part is called the pole of the system. Pole E. Pole of the system. Now take an example. Suppose a gain is a system equal to 4 into s plus 2. We all do the expression in Laplace domain, and s plus 3 and s plus 4. So when we calculate numerator, 4 into s plus 2 equal to 0. Then s equal to minus 2. So that is, if we plot, that minus 2 is called the 0 of the system. Minus 2. Maybe this is minus 1. Minus 2, or the root of the, actually rather we can say the root of the numerator is called the 0 of the system. Root of the numerator of the transfer function is called the 0 of the system. Transfer function means the system parameters is mathematical equation or expression. And what is the denominator? S plus 3 into s plus 4. So what is the denominator? S plus 3 to s plus 4. That is equal to 0. That means s equal to minus 3 and minus 4. 2. So what will be the two pole is there? Pole, this is the root called the pole actually. Minus 3 and minus 4. Pole is expressed by cross and 0 expressed by 0. When system has one pole, that is called the first order system. If any system has only one pole, that is called first order system. First order system. When system has two pole, that is the second order system. When the system has no pole, that is the 0 order system. So pole is the essential part. Now go to take an example. The step response. Step response of we go for the first order system. Simple case. You may say, what will be the calculation in second order system? That is not required yet so far. We go for the simple one. So take an example of first order system. Suppose we take an transfer function. Assume transfer function of a system Ts equal to k by Ts plus 1. and we applying step signal as we calculating step response. So we applying step signal. So what is the value at Laplace domain? Rs equal to 1 by s. Then what will be the Cs? Cs equal to, this is called the transfer function of the system. Transfer function or gain, whatever you can say, transfer, or that is not by, or Gs. Cs equal to Ts into Rs. Ts is already in Laplace domain. A into, so what will be the value of Ts? K by Ts plus 1. And Rs 1 by s. Now these type of equation is break into this type. This is called the partial fraction. You all know of partial fraction. How to do? If you don't remember, আমি আবার তোদেরকে এটা করে দেখাচ্ছি how we take the partial fraction. Okay. K by s into Ts plus 1. K by s into Ts plus 1. K by s into Ts plus 1. That is actually Cs. So that is equal to break into A by s plus B by Ts plus 1. Now we multiplying with the s, first case. For finding out A, we multiply with the s. So what will be the case? K into s divided by s into Ts plus 1. A plus B into s by Ts plus 1. Now s, what will be the s? Now put s equal to 0. Now put s equal to 0. S equal to 0. So there exists only A. S is K. So A equal to K. Similar way, we can multiply, we can calculate B. Apply Ts. What is the denominator? Ts plus 1. Multiply to each function with the Ts plus 1. What will be the right hand side when multiplying with Ts plus 1? Multiplying with Ts plus 1. Ts plus 1, that is equal to K by s, as Ts plus 1 and Ts plus 1 that is equal to K by s equal to A into Ts plus 1 by s plus B. Now at Ts plus 1 equal to 0, then s equal to minus 1 by t. If we put minus 1 by t, then A part will be 0. Put s equal to 1 minus t, the A part will be 0. There exists only B. What will be the value? K by minus 1 by t. That is equal to B equal to minus kt. That is B equal to minus kt. So what happens? K by s into Ts plus 1 break into two part. One is the K by s, another is the minus kt by s Ts plus 1, minus kt by Ts plus 1. Now that is equal to Cs, actually Cs, gain of the or step response of a first order system. First order system, K by s minus, we divide by t, K by s plus 1 by t. As we know, what will be the inverse Laplace of 1 by s? What is the inverse Laplace of 1 by s? Ut. So that is equal to k into ut. And by shifting property, we can write, if we know that 1 by s plus a inverse Laplace by previous knowledge or previous expression before the break, that is equal to e to the power minus at into ut. Now here a is the 1 by t, so minus k into e to the power minus t by capital T, k by capital T into ut. Now k into ut common 1 minus e to the power minus t by capital T. Ut is generally 1 if t greater than 0. So we can write k into 1 minus e to the power minus t by capital T. That is the step response of the first order system. That is the step response of a first order system. Now go to the slide. So I already calculated this partial fraction. Now what to do? That is the response.
একবার একটু দেখাবেন ওই ক্যালকুলেশন।
হ্যাঁ চল, তাহলে সিস্টেম মানে কি? rs into ts, rs into ts, that is equal to cs. Simple formula, cs equal to rs into ts. rs into ts. What will be the t? What will be the t? What is ts? That is equal to k by ts plus 1. मैंने एक फर्स्ट ऑर्डर सिस्टम एज्यूम किया है ना. we take a first order system that is equal to k by ts plus 1, and k by ts plus 1 is multiplied with the 1 by s. Then we getting the output that is equal to cs. Clear? It is clear? Nothing. Simple. Then again we taking the partial fraction. Partial fraction by same technique, a by s plus b by ts plus 1, we calculate a and b, then this way, and k by s, when something by s, it is automatically converted to the ut. As ut, Laplace transform of ut is 1 by s, then the inverse Laplace of 1 by s equal to ut.
Yes sir.
Go to the time domain, and similarly by here, by shifting, s is shifting 1 by t, and by this property 1 by s by a, 1 by s plus a is equal to e to the power minus t into ut, e to the power minus at into ut. So just this portion is a, we do it as ut equal to 1 for t greater than 0, we may write the t greater than 0 as ut equal to 1 for t greater than 0, and 0 other, and 0 always 0 as ut is multiplied 0 t less than 0, t greater than 0 plus. Okay, ut not required. Go to the this portion. I already explained when the t is the time constant. This is the part is very important. When t equal to capital T means what will the final value? We know the in time response there are two parts. One is the transient part, another is the steady state part. The transient means t tends to 0 plus that behavior, and steady state means t tends to infinite. What will be the value? t tends to infinite, e to the power minus infinite कितना हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा, तो k हो जाएगा ना. तो इस स्टेप रेस्पॉन्स का फाइनल वैल्यू क्या होगा? k होगा. So what will be the final value of ct? That is equal to k. And in one time constant, when t equal to t, it is the 63.2% of the k. If time constant, আমরা time constant খুব জানি, যদি কোনো সিস্টেমের, if for any system time constant is minimum, then is a system fast system जल्द से जल्द अपना फाइनल वैल्यू रीच करेगा. It will reach its final value quickly when the time constant is minimum. If time constant is maximum, then it also reach the final value for long time. That is called the sluggish system. If time constant is minimum, then system reaches final value instantly. Okay, now take the plot. This like it is like this. We take a example. It reaches to final value after certain period. You may say, sir, it is 10 seconds. It already reaches up to 10. Yes, t tends to 10 seconds. Infinite is not infinite. Infinite not ins. Generally, we take the 5. If it is 5 time constant or the 4 time constant, it reaches the 98% of the final value. 4 time constant. Generally, it is seen that at 4 time constant, it reaches the 98% of the final value. If time constant is 1.5 second, then 4 time constant means 6 second. After 6 second, it reaches the 98% of the final value. Generally, it is seen. So time constant is the vital part of a system. If time constant is 0.5 second, it reaches 98% at 2 seconds. So system will be the fastest system. If time constant is 1 hour, then it takes 6 hours to reaches the final value. So time constant is the essential part of the system. Okay. Now go to the impulse response. Same way. What is the Laplace transform of delta? What is the Laplace transform of delta t? That is equal to 1. What is the Laplace transform of delta t? That is equal to
1.
1. Then what will be the CS? CS equal to, again, that is the TS, transfer function. That is the transfer function or the gain of the system. TS into RS. Now put RS equal to 1. So automatically it is TS. Nothing but it is TS as CS equal to 1. है ना?
Yes.
एक ही है ना, वो एक से मल्टीप्लाई होने से तो वही होता है. अभी इसको कोई पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन का जरूरत ही नहीं है, सिंपल एक्सप्रेशन है, खाली टी से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, टी से डिवाइड कर दो, तो k by t s plus 1 by t divide by t, divide by what actually do, divide by capital T, then s plus 1 by t. Again we know the by shifting property. By shifting, what is the property? 1 by s plus a is nothing but e to the power minus at ut. तो क्या होगा देखो, c by s plus a, this is the property by which we can do. So k by t into e to the power minus t by at, t by at. So what will be the final value at t tends to infinite? This part will be 0. At t tends to infinite, 0. So final value will be 0. So final value will be 0. It is decaying exponential. देखो क्या होता है, ये धीरे धीरे 0 हो जाता है. तो इधर टाइम कांस्टेंट में क्या होगा, ये डीके करेगा. जनरली इट इज सीन दैट इट इज 37% reaches of its final value in one time constant. 37% ये डीके कर रहे हैं. जीरो में तुमने स्टार्ट किया है तो अब तो हाई था, जब जितना टाइम जाएगा वो उतना धीरे धीरे इनफाइनाइट टाइम में पूरा जीरो हो जाएगा, पूरा जीरो हो जाएगा. सो दैट इज द impulse response. Now what is the relationship between the step response and impulse response? What is the relation between the step and the impulse? What is the relation between the step and the impulse? Anybody can say? What is the relation between the step and impulse? If you differentiate step, we got the impulse. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If you differentiate step signal, we get the impulse response, or if we integrate the impulse, we get the step signal. Simpler way. We also, if we differentiate the step response, we get the impulse response. If we differentiate the step response, we get the impulse response. Similar way. Without doing impulse response, we can find out impulse response easily from the step response. We can find out easily impulse response from the step response. This is the summary. I already told that first step is the take Laplace transform of the input. Second step, take the mathematical model of the transfer function of the system, then multiplying, then getting the CS and taking inverse Laplace. If do this problem by using differential equation or matrix or somewhere, that is the tedious calculation. Here the calculation easier in Laplace. Thank you all. বোঝা গেছে? একটু আধটু আমি অল্প অল্প করে বলি, হালকা বলি, বোঝা যায় তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
হ্যাঁ